Running on a way out, you will be dying 1,000 deaths.